Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView paper trading. Paper trading is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to hone their trading skills without the stress of losing actual money. It provides a completely risk-free environment where you can experiment with various strategies and understand market dynamics. Think of it as a flight simulator for traders, giving you invaluable experience before you take off with real capital. It's an essential step for new and experienced traders alike. Getting started with paper trading on TradingView is quite straightforward. First, navigate to the bottom of your chart and locate the Trading Panel tab. Click on it to expand the panel. Next, you'll see a list of available brokers. Simply choose Paper Trading by TradingView from this selection. After clicking Connect, your simulated account will be ready, typically preloaded with a substantial virtual balance, often $100,000, allowing you to start practicing immediately. Once connected, placing trades is intuitive. You can use the prominent buy and sell buttons directly on your chart, or utilize the more detailed order panel. When placing an order, you'll specify the order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares or contracts, and your desired price. Remember to set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk effectively. You can easily monitor and modify your open positions from the trading panel as market conditions evolve. After placing some trades, it's crucial to review your performance. The trading panel provides comprehensive insights into your account history and various performance metrics. You can examine your overall profit and loss, track your equity curve over time, and analyze the results of individual trades. This detailed feedback is invaluable for identifying strengths and weaknesses in your strategies. Use these insights to refine your approach and make more informed decisions when you eventually transition to live trading with real capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.